Start recording. Right? Excellent connection. Come on. Here we go.
I went into Dodge City. There's nothing going on. I mean, it looks like a
Whoops.
whatever.
Takes me a minute to figure out how to do this. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go to. Where are you, friends? I should be able to just go to you. Click. I'm trying to click on you to teleport. Teleport
Isn't
to you guys.
restaurant at the end of Oh, there you are. Approve. Isn't restaurant at the end of the universe a Hitchhiker's Guide to the Universe?
Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Yeah.
Galaxy, yeah, isn't that restaurant at the end of the universe? Isn't
Yep.
that part of it?
Yep.
That's what I thought. There is a restaurant at the end of the universe
Mm,
space here.
mm. Oh, now I'm remembering this welcome center. Boy, it's taken a minute to.
Yeah.
Okay, I have mail. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's that?
A ton.
Uh,
Ooh, hello.
Hello. I'm
Oh, wait.
Sue
Can
and
you hear me?
Carla.
Hey, Sue.
It's
Yes,
Nancy.
Hey.
I'm trying to log in. I'm at the Welcome Center soon.
Nice. Wow, why is this feeling so laggy? I'm having a hard time.
Shannon is here too in Sinespace.
Oh, nice. I'm trying to. Man, my computer is really laggy.
You have a look and see if it's doing anything, like, I don't know, scanning it for there's Sue Moon.
Who is
Hey,
this?
everybody.
Hi. Oh, here's Shannon. Okay, that's Shannon. Man, my computer is just.
Nancy is here.
Hey.
Yep, that's Tom in the Discord.
Nice. Okay. The gang's all here. And Susie said she might not be able to. Susie, I'm going to just chat at her here. Susie, join us in Discord in ER Exploder's voice channel. If she sees that. Was having trouble. She might not be on. She might not be able to join us. Okay. Well, everybody's here a few minutes early. That's good. I'm still sorting up. Let's see. Live stream is going. Right? Yep, that's going. Clickety click. Let's just wait here for a few minutes. How come Shannon's not in voice? Oh yeah, Shannon's here. Okay.
I'm here. I was just muted. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. I'm looking at a couple different screens and.
I noticed that they asked to use the microphone for the Sinespace. Does that mean that it is automatically on for Sinespace as well, or?
I don't know because I don't think it is on automatically because I don't hear any reverb or echo. Right? We're in world, but we're just using voice in Discord. So
There's no voice allowed. There's no voice allowed in the Welcome Center.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah, there
Ah.
is no voice. But we could have voice in other spaces like my house and stuff. It just depends on what the builder decides.
Oh, so if you click on in the lower right hand corner, that's where the mic is. I guess it's disabled. Oh, it says you want to enable
Yeah.
it. I'm gonna try enabling it. Actually, I shouldn't do that. We know what
Can you
happens.
talk? Can you hear
Oh
me?
yeah, I
Do you
am.
have?
I'm in.
Do you have a?
Yeah. Can you
Is
hear
there an
me?
echo?
You guys hear
Yeah.
me?
Okay.
Yeah.
There's an echo.
Turn
Yeah.
it off. Turn it off. That's awful.
Yes.
Is it gone now? Is the echo gone?
Yeah, and yeah, Shannon's
Okay.
voice was enabled for a second too. The name over your head turns yellow, and you can see the mic levels.
Okay.
Nice. So, it's still only a couple minutes before 9. Should we, so everybody, Maria is sort of half here and then sort of half in another space, but, which, multi,
I'm
trickle.
like in 3 places at once.
Yeah, being in, 6 incarnations of yourself in the same space, or being in 6 different places at once. Aren't we all doing that? I'm looking in the chat, Marie, where you put, where were you suggesting that we go first? Oops. Sorry, guys. Well, what are all these places in here? There's recommendations.
Okay. I put it in the chat.
Show chat.
So how do we turn on chat? I think I.
Oh. Is James saying?
Okay. Okay, I got him. He asked me.
Is James here?
He asked me.
I
Yeah.
am. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. So that's a
Hello.
teleport for right now, right? Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm
approve.
totally
just
lost.
approve. Sorry, no, James sent me a teleport request, and I wasn't sure if that was from 2 months ago. Hooray, you're here.
Right.
I did. I looked on there and I saw the chat from or friend request or whatever. So good. Who's Brad? Is that a bot, you guys? Brad
No,
3514.
no, he's not. He's like the welcome guy.
I remember that exact same person standing in the exact same place the last time we were here, though. That's why I'm like, are you sure it's a real person?
Yeah.
No, because I was in Second Life and Sidearm said, say hi to Brad for me. So I said hi to him for him.
Oh, so he's real.
He's real.
Should I chat at him? Oh, you're real, Brad. Oh, you're
because
real.
I came in here.
Brad.
Yeah, because I came in here yesterday and he wasn't there.
Oh, I was wondering if you were a bot. I'm chatting at him or putting it in the local chat. Because, you can't tell. I mean, this is going to be really interesting when bots get really good. And you know how, like, non-player characters in Second Life, they show up as green in dots? Which they shouldn't do that because you think that it's a person.
Yeah.
And then when AI gets really good, you'll be chatting and thinking that you're talking to a person and it's not. Anybody else see that being a problem?
Yep.
Nah, why not? We're gonna.
Okay. I'm trying to no route. Susie's trying to get in here. No route.
What's hard here is I've got the Second Life stuff in my ear, so it's really like I'm just gonna turn them way down.
Yeah, Tom is here too.
I should have put it on a different computer.
Tom sent me a friend request. Oh yeah. Hold on a second, you guys. All right, I'm gonna see who's online. Friend request, message. Okay. That's old. July. That's from like a year ago. Okay. I just saw a note that James was.
He was trying to. Yeah, he's here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh no! Yeah, I'm sorry, not James.
Sidearm.
No, not Sidearm. Where I saw a chat, and it was.
So both Sidearm and Val are not going to make it today because they're in this other event that I'm in right now in Second Life.
Oh, okay.
So
What is the other event?
it's the Second Life Student Challenge, the first brewery for the students.
Right. I remember.
Oh, one
that.
of the building classes?
Yeah.
The students.
The first
Right.
building class, the absolute beginners.
Oh, Tom's here. Yeah, Tom. We're in voice channel.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
The VR.
Okay.
Hi, Day.
Exploder
Hello.
voice channel.
So I was looking for Day. I was looking for your for the space colony. Is it down? Did you take it down?
Not that I know of. All right, hold on.
Okay.
Let me log in and see what's going on. I'm logging into Space Colony right now. And nope, it's up. I just logged into it.
Okay, because I did a search on space colony. I couldn't find it.
You want to know? Search for FCHS.
Yeah, I can
Space.
never. Yeah, you know, when those kind of like those kinds of like acronyms, I can never remember. I'm always confusing them. I think I probably look for
Hey.
SCFS or something.
Marie, I know CSU. You need to know FCHS. That high school is a game changer, as you know.
Fort Collins. That's where my kid doesn't go to Fort Collins High School. Okay, that's a good way to remember it. That's a really good way to remember it. Thank you. Now I will always remember it, but it's not my kid's high school.
No.
It's the rival one. That's the rival one.
Gotcha.
So Marie, where did you say we were gonna go first? I'm looking for your.
Well, I found this place called Blossoms and Books.
Oh.
It seemed kind of nice.
Let's see. Explore regions.
But there's also a Flanagan's Fun facility. I don't know.
Checking our regions.
And then since Day said the space colony is up, I think we should go check that out.
Oh yeah. Space colony. So somebody have a
Fort Collins High School.
Gosh.
FCHS. Search for FCHS under Explore.
I found it. Should we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm there.
Put it in. Put it in chat.
Just hit enter when you find it.
Wait. I got it wrong. FCH. Yeah, Space Colony. I'll put it in the chat.
Yeah, okay.
Just copy and paste that into the Explore search thing bar, and it should be the first one, and you just hit enter.
Oh, thank you.
Why am I having problems finding this chat?
It's in Discord.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Like, what channel are we
Sorry.
on? Oh, there's the VR Explorers. I'm in general announcements, chatting at somebody else. Okay, Susie and Tom go to the VR Explorers chat channel. That's the one I tried. It's blocked. Oh, you know what? Let me just see if I can add her. Invite to the server.
Has that Region Explorer interface changed? I don't remember it looking like that.
Region Explorer.
Yeah, in Sinespace, you bring up the Explore menu. It just looked very different.
Schools. Carl, why is it?
Yeah, I think it did change actually.
I think things look more compact to me than I recall.
I don't remember this friend. Well, maybe popular, busy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you just got in. Oh, great.
When you look at busy, one that's the busiest are the two places we are. I think that means.
So,
Oh, good point.
Explorers, text channel. Channel, guys. All right. No worries. Yeah,
I have money in here. Years ago.
Me too.
VR Explorers channel.
Gold and silver.
Gold, Blossom and Books. So, hold on, you guys. I'm chatting in the general announcements. Tom is here, and so is Susie, but she's having trouble getting in. And is Tom in here?
You talking to me?
No, Tom Belsdorf.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't don't see him in voice or in. Oh no, there he is. No.
No.
Tom Bombadil is in voice.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
in the Discord. Oh, it's not the correct one.
Oh,
Okay.
Susie's here.
I'm Tom
Okay.
Bombadil.
Oh, you're Tom Bombadil.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nancy's
Yeah.
Bob.
I was just
Tom-
watching
Bob.
The Hobbit this morning.
Tom is in the Exploders channel now.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Let's see, Susie. Let's see, I'm trying to help Susie. Friend, Susie. Let's see if I can. She's having trouble getting into. Well,
Oh, so Tom Bolstorff is here.
Yeah,
Just not
yeah.
in the.
yeah. and
Move to this
Yeah,
channel.
he can't stay too long, but I don't know if he's in world. I'm gonna add Susie as a friend here. View Susie's profile.
Okay, good.
as a
They're
friend.
both here in the right channel. But I don't see them on voice, on the call, right?
Yeah, move to this channel. We're in voice, too. Use the voice channel. Use the voice channel. VR exploders. Okay, Susie, I see you. Susie, I see you in world.
I think I added Susie as a friend.
Yeah. So can you teleport me, Marie, where you guys are?
We are We are. Let's go back to this.
Hello. Slow and rezzing. Why don't I have a name on me? You do have a name.
Yes, I'll try and find you all, even though I could only be here for a couple minutes.
Oh yeah, we're glad you're here. Are you in the where are you located in world, Tom? Are you in the we're in the welcome?
I'm on my own land right now, so I need to figure out or somewhere, or maybe I'm on Amvans. Anyway, I'll
Oh,
figure
right.
Yeah,
That
the
was the
house
last
we were in
place we
before.
were.
Yeah.
out our
Friends.
previous play.
Friends. Let me see who's so Amvans, I'm gonna teleport to you. Teleport to user, and then I'll offer a teleport. Let's see if that's working.
I said okay.
Man, this is a little laggy for me. I'm suddenly Sinespace is I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's taken a second. It's laggy compared to last time. I didn't have any trouble, but my computer is just having a hard time.
Is there
Anybody
a
else
place to
having
get a
hard time?
spacesuit?
Is this slow walk normal? This is my first time here.
Oh no.
I think you can hit
Yeah, I think
shift.
so.
You can hit
Yeah.
shift to go faster.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, my application is
Ah,
break functionality. Oh god, I might have to restart. Ugh. Okay, I'm finally getting into Space Colony.
See.
Me too. I'm teleporting there. I'm 84%.
Yeah, and where it says preparing. Might take a minute. Took me a long time to install this time too.
Oh, whoa.
I had trouble installing.
Yeah.
It kept
Yeah.
freezing.
I had to upgrade, yeah.
Oh, Susie can't join us in the channel. I don't know why she can't join us. Let me see. Yeah, you
In which channel?
she can't get into the VR Exploders channel for some reason. I wish I could just add her. How do we add her to the voice channel?
Create invite. Is she is she a friend of yours on Discord?
Yeah, I added as a friend.
Then up on under VR Exploders Club voice channel, there's a person plus.
Okay.
You can create an invite there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Find her and invite her.
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Oh, George is here too.
Susie wants to teleport to you. Yes, approve. Why is Susie XR? XR. Why am I not finding her on the list? Except my
It's
voice-
Susie. It's not Susie XR. It's Susie. Oh, I don't know. in Discord at Susie XR.
Accept friend request here. I'm trying to invite you. Trying to invite you. Okay. All right. Hold on. Invite to search for friends.
Is there a place to get a spacesuit?
This is not in.
Hey, Day.
Gosh.
Oh, Susie's here.
In our channel.
There she is.
Yep.
She's here.
Hello.
Day, is there a way to get a spacesuit?
I think, yeah, I bought it from the store.
Oh,
If you go into
okay.
the store and search for
Got it.
whole avatars,
Susie
I think that's where I got it.
My God, I can't seem to find her on
The
my
space
list of
looks
friends.
cool. This must all be stuff that they've downloaded, made in Blender or something, I would assume, and have downloaded.
I'm still not in this
'Cause you
space.
can't
My
really-
computer's loading. It's loading it.
It took me a while. The FCHS space.
Yeah. It's just sitting here, like, preparing to load or whatever. I'm just sitting here looking at it. It's been like 2 minutes.
It took a while for it to prepare for me too. It sat there for a good bit.
Yeah.
So there's a join voice on Discord that I think somebody can just click on, right?
Yeah,
Susie, click on the join voice.
I sent her an invite saying here, and I just said click on it to join us in voice.
I see it in the VR Exploder channel. Of course, if she can't get there, she can't see it.
Yeah.
Sent her also a friend request.
It doesn't work. Same error message, no route. I don't know why she's. I feel bad, but well, we'll have to troubleshoot this later. I'm sorry.
Well, on a different note, because I reinstalled, my entire in-world friend list is gone. Those are your getting friend requests from me? That's because I had no friend list.
Oh my God, that's weird.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so
because you did it just 2 months ago. That's weird.
Right.
You have to do some kind of application with Discord.
But you're using the same computer? Because normally any program like this is going to have, a folder of permanent stuff that when the software uploads, it doesn't wipe all of your inventory and
Exact same computer. I haven't changed any hardware.
Yeah,
since 2 months ago.
and I reinstalled the server the viewer just today. I always uninstall viewers, and so it still remembers my login and my friends list. I still have my friends list, and I reinstalled it this morning.
I reinstalled last night, so I don't know what went wrong at my end, but anyway.
And I'm still not in there, you guys. This is weird. I can't get in there. This is kind of a bummer.
Did you check to see if maybe you got something running in the background that's taking up all your cycles?
Nothing more than the usual. I've got the the OBS streaming to YouTube, but I always do that.
Weird, because it took a while for it to prepare and load for me, but not that long. It took maybe 30 seconds.
Well, where's the refresh button? Like, if I could click a button, I'm like, what do I do? You know what? Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just close this down and, let's see here. Should I just close it out and try and reload it? Why not?
So for the people that are in here, this is a space that one of Day Miami's students created. Did you talk about that, Day?
No, but I wanted to make a couple of quick announcements to the group before I do that. The first one is this Thursday, 9 a.m. SLT. I'm going to be one of the first talks at the Virtual World's Best Practice in Education. I just put a link in there. It's all about virtual reality, multiplayer, virtual worlds. It's absolutely free to attend. If you're free this Thursday at 9 a.m. SLT, please come and join me. This is not going to be a theoretical discussion. I'm not even mentioning Stevenson's book about the metaverse. I'm not going to waste my time. This is hard data on how do you create a metaverse in a school? How do you fund it? What happens when you release it? How do the students feel about it? Lots of data. I couldn't find any other. There are very few studies that have been done on virtual world metaverses that are out there. And the reason I think is that Meta does not want their hardware to be used in kids under 13. But I got a lot of parent permission to actually strap headsets on elementary school kids, high school kids. I got parent permission from every one of them. So if you want the latest data, please come to my talk.
What time
this
is
Thursday.
that?
I put
Thursday the 14th. At
9 a.m. Thursday the 14th, 9 a.m. Pacific time.
Days.
And I know this is all going to get messed up with the daylight savings time mess tomorrow going forward, but hopefully by Thursday all that'll be fixed. The other thing that I thought was very interesting to share with the group was a YouTube link. WatchYourMelon.com. Have you heard about this group?
No.
No.
Yeah, I threw the video in there. When you get a chance, take a look at it. It's very clever. It's about a kid playing with his mother in a virtual reality, presumably the Quest headset, and he falls back and hits his head on the table. And at the very end, it says, go to watchyourmelon.com to find out if you have a concussion.
Wow.
It's a 2 or 3 minute video, and I'm like, could you not pack more things wrong into a video about virtual reality in 2 minutes? The first thing I'm thinking about is, why is the parent allowing the kid to flail around like crazy with a headset on his head when they have a hard table in back of them? All right, when Oculus and Meta have been very clear you don't do that. What happened to the Guardian? What happened to boundaries? Clear. I mean, I would be suing the parent over neglect if I saw all this. But at least it's some attempt to try and get parents and kids thinking about some of the harmful ways that VR can affect them, because Meta is lowering. It used to be 13 for VR headsets. Now they're down to 10 with parent permission. The video should go a lot further. It should, and on the website there's nothing about parents supervising the kids and all that. I require my students to be seated. I don't even allow them to follow around because I'm not going to mess with it. So anyway, it is at least some attempt in the media on YouTube.
So your talk is on Friday, right? The 14th?
Thursday.
No, it's Thursday.
It says 14 March.
Yeah.
Isn't that a Friday?
No, that's Thursday.
Oh,
Thursday.
gotcha. I gotcha. I'm in the wrong month. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, probably in February.
Sorry.
Poor day.
Oh my God.
He's going to show up the wrong day.
I'm finally.
No, I'm going to be there the 14th.
Oh my gosh, I'm finally
Gotcha.
here, and we all landed at the same time. It was weird.
All right, sorry to flip back and forth. You want to go back to my talk?
No, thanks for those things. And when you come into Sinespace, like it reses all the people around you at once, and it makes it look like everyone else is jumping in at the same time, but they're not.
Yeah.
That's just a weird thing that it does. But anyway, I now have to go, of course, as soon as you bounced in. But send announcements, and hopefully I can come longer next time. It's hard for me to come on Saturdays, but I really want to keep doing this. So take care, everyone, and I will talk to you soon.
Thanks for coming,
Thank
Tom.
you.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
It's weird. I'm sitting here. I have a data synchronization failure on here. It's no longer being synchronized with our servers. It's trying to reconnect. So I'm glad I've got the video of this. That it's like I'm having so much trouble to, be here. But I remember this space. This is cool.
So, Day, you want to give us the
Yeah, just one other thing. There are 2 talks on the metaverse at Thursday at 9 a.m. And what I'm trying to do is contact the other presenters and see if we can split it up.
Yeah,
but
why are they at the same time? I hate that.
I have no idea. LV, the organizer, passed away just before the conference. And I think it was just people were throwing stuff wherever it fit, is what it was. And it's a shame. There's no way to change it at this point. I contacted the other presenters and said, hey, look, there's 2 talks on the metaverse. Both of them are going to be really good. I'm sorry I'm going to miss yours. How about if we voluntarily cut each of our talks down to 25 minutes? I could do it. All right. And we have 2 25-minute talks so that we do it twice. And this way, participants can go hear both. All right. And you get to talk to everyone at the conference. So I haven't heard back yet. I don't know if they're going to go for it. But I think that's a better way of doing it. Anyway, so let's talk about the Franklin County High School Space Colony. Years ago, I ran a Unity Club in Southwest Virginia at my high school. And I had about 5 to 10 really good students in it that were really stoked on Unity and Sinespace. And do you know Cindy Stagner, a.k.a. Cindy Bolero, on Second Life, and she's on Sinespace? She ran Aeropines Park, one of the largest sims on Second Life. She was also the CEO and founder of the Silicon Valley Media Group. So I had her get on Skype and talk to my club one day. And she said, I am here to challenge you to build a space colony. And she said, you can go on the asset store. There's all these wonderful free assets. And as long as you know Unity, you just drop them in and you got a colony. And most of the students go, yeah, right, we're going to build a space colony. Well, one girl, Bailey Paxton, who's now Bailey White, said, I'm going to do it. And she worked an entire year on this project, manipulating every minute she could get, to build this colony. And we wanted it at a moon in the solar system, so she picked Europa, the ice moon, because that was a really hot topic in NASA. And she read through the website. She read through how you make quests. And the cool thing was that when we got to the end of the school year, Virginia, like many other states, wastes a lot of time with standardized testing. She decided she wasn't going to tolerate that. So she took all of her state tests, got them out of the way, which was left her 2 or 3 weeks of school time left. I contacted each of her student teachers and said, I want Bailey for the entire school day. She will report to me at 8:15. She will leave at 3:15 when the buses pull out. She will be on a computer in my room working on a project. Every one of her teachers okayed it, school okayed it, and she just plowed through it and cranked this out. So there's a lot of cool things to see here. There are buildings that are labeled as to their purpose. That you see a vehicle over there. If you click on it, you can drive it around. If you click on the astronauts here, where is it? Come on. There is an astronaut with an exclamation mark above his head. If you click him, that will start a quest. And there's a couple of multiple choice questions to be answered about Europa. And then you'll see quests appear. So it'll say collect 15 ice samples and collect 10 rock samples and go in the bio room and find a sample, so on. It's a tough quest. I've tried a bunch of times and failed. Basically, I'll try it, and then if you have trouble, I'll give you a hint that Bailey told me that will improve your odds for success. Oh, somebody is already in the vehicle driving around.
That's,
all right,
of course
does anybody
I
have any
have to
questions?
do that.
Probably Bethany, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to go drive off the edge of the cliff because I remember doing this.
Yeah, Bailey didn't put colliders on the sim, unfortunately. She should have, but she didn't.
Where's the edge here? I think
Have fun driving off the cliff.
Yeah, I have to do it.
Over here.
Oh no, I'm stuck on the edge. It won't fall over.
No, that's a bummer.
I love it. Yeah. Yeah, this is crazy. All right, let me see if I can back up.
Who else is wearing a spacesuit here? Is that?
How do you get a spacesuit? I tried searching.
Yeah, searched in the store for outfits, and then it's a costume that you're wearing over the avatar. But I'm curious, how do you turn off the flashlight? I guess maybe you don't.
Exit the vehicle.
I hope it's not annoying anybody.
Oh, pff. How do you fly? Shoot, I'm falling.
I try not to annoy in virtual.
I'm falling and I can't get up.
Did you drive off the
No.
edge?
I am. I got out of the vehicle and I'm falling, but wait, fly mode. WASD. Oh wait, it re-resed me up here. Okay.
F is fly, isn't it?
Okay. Nice.
Or TP to one of us, maybe?
Yeah. No, I'm here. Just
Okay.
whoops.
So did it automatically return you to where we were at some point, or did you just figure
Yeah.
out how to get back?
Yeah, no, it did. It brought me back. Whoa. Somehow I ended up in mouse look. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. What is this? I'm just exploring some of the buildings.
Wow, daily quests, activity quest, main quest. That's cool.
So your student built all this in Unity.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
Yeah, actually, one of the things that I was most proud of, I remember we were sitting in the computer lab. This was back in the good old days when we actually had computers in our science computer lab rather than dumb Chromebooks. And we had Unity loaded on every machine and got tech services to help us with that.
Oh, yes.
And I remember she was putting the buildings in, and they were all black. And she said, "What's going on?" I've checked my lighting. There's nothing wrong with my lighting. And I said, "I don't know. Just keep checking it and figuring it out." And then all of a sudden, I saw the light bulb come on above her head. What she said was going on was that shadows was turned on. So there was a directional light on top of all the buildings, and it was casting shadows and making everything inside of the buildings dark. And all she did was toggle the shadows off, and all of a sudden, all the rooms lit up, and she's going, "I figured it out." I mean, what a great moment for a high school student to have a technology problem like that and figure it out on her own without a tech or a teacher saying, "Here's how you fix it."
Yeah. Nice. That's fantastic. Ooh, let's see here. So does anybody else want to lead us over to somewhere else on this region? Day, is there somewhere we should go and look at something here? I'm also gonna, let's see.
I put up here, sorry, there's a lot, now it's all gone. There's some ideas here. There's a place called Blossoms and Books.
Oh, right.
And there's also Flanagan's Fun Facility. I mean, I think I went to Blossoms and Books. It's pretty, not much to do there. We could go check it out, but then maybe we could try this Flanagan's Fun Facility.
I just saw that you gave me something. Yeah.
I'll put it back in the chat. I'll put all of these back in the chat because I know that we've lost it since the chat is so long now. Hold on.
Yeah.
Can you make landmarks here?
I don't think you can do
I don't think
landmarks,
so.
you can
No.
just search
Okay.
for spaces. You go to the Explore, and type in the name.
I mean, Bailey did a great job. Why one regret is she didn't say more about what was going on in each building. All she did was put a title on the outside. This is the biology lab. This is the chemistry lab, whatever. And I wish she had gone into more detail, and she didn't. I mean, the graphics in each building are gorgeous. They were professionally done. And literally, she just plunked them down and then joined them together, I think, with the snap tool in Unity, and got a really good-looking colony.
Mm-hmm. Should we go to so do you want to go to
I just jumped over into Blossoms and Books.
Mimi Marie says, "I need help." Do you know who Mimi Marie is? Marie? I need help. We're here. Am Van, send hi back to site from me. I don't know who Mimi Marie is.
Mimi Marie. Wait here.
Yeah. Hi,
here.
Alice. Do you know how to find us? See, there's people. I don't know who some of these people are. Arctic Rose. Oh, I think this.
Was that general chat? Because I think there was some other event going on, or because that name sounds familiar from last night when I was in here.
I don't know who Mimi Marie is, but she chatted at me and Marie and Susie.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
Yeah. But where do we find the if Marie, did you put it in chat, the Blossoms location?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's under VR Exploders chat.
Oh.
Dave, to get in the buildings. Dave, to get in the buildings, do you need the quest active? I'm able to, teleport inside the building, but
I just walked through the door. I just walked through.
oh, you walk through it. Okay.
Yeah,
the doors are phantom. The problem at the time was that we couldn't use C# to make them like clickable and open.
Oh.
There is a way of doing in Lua script. For those of you who don't know, Sinespace does not support the C# API because they're worried about malware. So you have to code in Lua. And there is a script you can make that open doors. When you click on a door, it will slide open, sort of like on Star Trek. Or in Bailey's case, she just made the doors phantom, so you can just walk through them. Not the best looking, but it works.
This one seems pretty laggy to me, this Blossoms and Books.
Wait, can somebody give me a teleport to it? This is Bethany.
How do I do that?
Actually, I should just be able to go to Friends and go.
Yeah, go to Friends
and left. Click Amvans and teleport.
Yeah, you have to teleport to me.
Okay.
And then they have to accept it.
Yeah.
I just TP'd to Amvans.
This is interesting. There's this directory here right in front, and it looks like there's a bunch of different plots and the different people have built on it. I've not recognized some of the builders, like Galen. I recognize. That's Mimi Marie. That's
and Arctic Rose are the first two.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks pretty. A Victorian style public
library.
I like that. I'm immediately looking and thinking of our Victorian, the cemetery that we have.
Right.
Because this is a picture. I'm like, hey, this looks like our cemetery.
It's taken me a while to get to the space.
Me too. It's faster than before. At least I can see it loading.
Yeah.
So we all seem to be having trouble with it being laggy today. It's not just me.
This one was more laggy for me than the other one.
I think it's because it's huge.
Yeah.
All the assets.
But I didn't have any trouble the last time we came here. I didn't think it was laggy at all, and it's really.
Yeah, this is interesting. This is like a space where there's a bunch of different builders who have contributed to this. It's pretty.
So what are the possibilities for interactions?
Interactions, like here, I don't know that there's a lot, right? I think this might be maybe more like an artist community for displaying art. But you can like when we were over in the space colony, you can do a quest kinds of things. There is also, I think, there's another place like the Glacier National Park where you can take balloon rides and you can fly an airplane. Some places you can like drive vehicles. So
Marie, can I answer
isn't it
that?
basically anything that you can what do you call it? Create in Unity, right? As interaction?
Yeah, let me answer that. Okay. Well, first time I came into Sinespace, I, along with other developers, was actually floored when I was told we do not allow the C# API code in any sims that are submitted to Sinespace. And the reason is they were deathly afraid of malware viruses getting on their servers. All right, so they said we only support Lua, and who codes in Lua? So I said, well, how do you code interactions? And they said that what we have is you can add components to objects. So, for example, there's a clickable component, so that it's when you go in Unity, there's a door or something, you can actually add a clickable component to it that has certain actions when you click on it. Or if there's a proximity component that you can add to objects, so that when you're within a certain distance of an object, something happens. So they have pre-coded certain components that they give developers to use, because they know that the magic happens with the code. They just don't want the developers to code it. So they give you clickable and proximity things to go. And then you have vehicles and you have quests. So they're trying, to add the magic, so to speak, of code without opening up their servers to malware.
Okay. I thought you could just like do something in Unity and upload it.
Oh yeah, you can. You could do an entire Sinespace project in Unity. All right, you can access. There's like 1 million assets on the Unity Asset Store. You can bring them in, and you can put vehicles in. You can put the vehicle component on there and clickables and whatnot, and then upload the whole Unity project to Sinespace, and you just say where you want the avatar to drop in. I think it's like an asset bundle is basically what they're doing.
Yeah, I'm totally just, my computer's just sort of stuck in this Blossoms and Books. I can't really load. Wow, my whole computer is just sort of seized up. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I suddenly can't hear anybody else. There's pretty water sound though in the fountain in this location, but I think I've just crashed my computer. I'm going to exit the page. I'm basically just crashing. Slowly crashing my computer. Close all these pages. This is really... Oh, and my live stream is going to crash. I don't want that to happen. Yeah, I'm totally going to just crash. Okay, there's my YouTube. I'm going to close all this. Close that. Close that. I'm not going to end the stream. Discord. So let's just click OK and let this thing crash. Open Discord.
Where they save them.
I just totally crashed.
Yeah?
Yeah, I totally
Hello,
crashed.
Bethany.
My computer is still seized up. Yeah, I'm totally crashed. This has been good experience to get this all documented. I'm still live streaming it.
Now, what's interesting is, Bethany, is right before you disappeared,
Yeah.
Mimi Marie is now wandering around with us. Did we determine who Mimi Marie is, or if she's just like one of their... Because I've seen yellow over her head, like she may be trying to talk to us in world.
Oh, maybe.
Well, she should know that we use this voice channel. I don't know.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It also says surfer above her head, and that's why I'm wondering: is she a Sinespace volunteer or employee and not
Yeah.
She's texting in the chat area, and she just asked me about sidearm in the Blossoms and Books text area, chat area.
I think probably Sidearm knows her because Sidearm, she's a artist on this. She has
Right.
like a region here. So maybe Sidearm told her that we were doing this VR
Oh.
Exploders today, and she's just trying to be friendly.
She's offering to help. Yeah,
Oh.
in the chat.
In Sinespace chat, yeah.
So I'm trying to load Sinespace again.
Oh.
Okay, guys, what do you do? Are you guys still hanging out here, or do you gonna try someplace else?
Sure.
Because I saw this place that might have like rides and stuff. I don't know. It's called Flanagan's Fun Facility. I've never been there. It could be really bad too, so I have no idea. Are you guys up for?
Just before we leave, are there particular activities that happen here? And Blossoms?
I don't know.
I mean,
maybe
artists gather and, but do they do like talks or?
Is there a let's see, is there any information at the landing point? Because the only thing I saw,
I still have my quest from the space place. Interesting.
whoa, I'm ice skating on the rink. I got on the ice, and I suddenly had ice skates on my feet.
Ooh. I'm trying to load back into Blossoms and Books, so.
That's interesting. So that it just automatically did this. Let's see if there's any information here on the landing point about what this place is. It says,
Oh gosh.
it's a community garden region utilizing the room floor component. I don't know what that means. Each plot can be assigned an owner by a region admin. Plot owners may then use the region editor to place furniture items on their plot. A bounding box will prevent furniture item placement beyond the bounds. So it sounds like it's just like a place where they're trying to.
Excuse me, Marie. I gotta log off. It was fun talking to everybody. Have a great weekend.
Oh, bye.
Yeah,
Dave.
okay, thanks. Nice
Hi.
Me and Maria suggesting we visit Artemis Spot. The community created the region and they have different lots. I don't know.
Ooh.
Did you put that in the chat? Where did she say that?
It's in Blossoms
In Blossoms and Books chat.
I can't find it.
It's probably on the list of plot numbers at the front. But still, I wouldn't know from this map which...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't see Artemis.
And what's considered the front?
Where we came in, for lack of a better term, because that's where all the plot number lists were. But even then, I don't know how to match a plot number to...
Yeah, you have to run around and it'll say like plot 1, plot 2.
Oh, I was searching it on Explorer. Okay.
Well, we really only have like less than 15 minutes
True.
left. Are you guys interested in
Yeah, I have another meeting on the top of the hour.
Yeah, Marie and I have a meeting at the top of the hour with someone else too.
Yeah.
Well,
I'd see another spot though if people
I would.
have time.
Okay.
Okay, I put it in the I put it in the
Flanagan's.
Exploders chat.
Flanagan's Fun.
Okay.
So, I probably.
I have no idea.
I'm not sure I can even get there because my computer is just so laggy. This has just been the worst. The worst experience I've had with VR Exploders in a very, very long time.
Whoa,
Right.
that's saying a lot.
Well, it's not the VR Exploders. It's this like.
I know it's in his face in this. I know what you mean. But the
Yeah,
fact to hear you are just like, I'm frustrated.
Yeah, it's really and it's interesting because we were just here 2 months ago and nothing. Yeah, it's really George Ninja wants to teleport me. Approve. Thanks, George.
So we're going to Flanagan's then?
I think
Yeah.
I'll try to head there. All right.
Yeah, I'm not sure I know what chat you put it in.
It's in the VR Exploders chat. It's Discord, sorry.
And I'm locked up in teleport.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck in.
There's. I don't know what that is.
Slightly laggy. Wow.
So other people are experiencing a lot of lag.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I wasn't at first, but here I am.
Okay. Good to know. You know.
So,
Yep.
Go to Flanagan's, but it's got me going somewhere called Gothica. Gothica? I don't know how that happened.
Oh, I love it. Gothica.
it is really slow. I think it's really heavy. I think the problem is it's really heavy. I'm able to get in.
Oh, you mean this region? Yeah. There's a lot of movement, a lot of stuff happening.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm frozen.
Yeah, George gave me a.
I've got a little blue circle. I can't do anything.
Yeah, I'm stuck in Blossom and Books still. Let's see.
So the colors, like there's so much going on here. I mean, I'm scared. If I can actually get on here, I think it will make me sick.
Yeah, my whole computer is
Click to ride.
struggling.
You know, Marie, I just had to go black and white.
Yeah.
And then back to color.
Yep.
It went back to color, and then suddenly it goes into green and red only.
Oh my gosh, I'm glad we're
so
capturing.
you don't actually.
I hope the live stream is capturing all this comments.
I'm in. It's a pretty area.
Well, the first thing I was going to say, oh, hello, we're just in
Uh-oh. I lost Shannon's voice. Anybody on VR Exploders channel hear me? I don't hear anybody. Yeah, I think this is... this is not working today. This is crazy. I have no voice. I have no audio except the water. The sound of the water. Yeah, my discard is... Yep. I'm bailing on this. I'm getting a cup of coffee. This is ridiculous. Okay. Just bail on this. Just say no. Oh my god. Seriously? Computer is completely frozen. Yeah, this is definitely Control Alt Delete. Delete. Come on, end the process. Oh my god. Seriously? I can't get out of this. End the process. Okay, good.
Anyway, it's not the. It's pretty, but it's not as interactive